Brief, accurate and important news of today's Tuesday. The economic assistant of the Minister of State says the Ghorian district of Herat province and one block of Sarpur mine in the Tolak district of Ghor province were announced as the winning companies for the extraction and processing of 4 blocks of iron mine. The spokesperson of the Ministry of Law and Prohibition, Akif Mohajir, says that this ministry is preventing the activities of sorcerers, moreover talismans throughout the country. Honorable Mohajir adds that amulets do not have a Sharia problem, but now some people have turned it into a business. Sheikh Muhammad Qasim Khalid, the governor of Kabul, said during the meeting with the teachers and students of the Central Darul Hafiz in Kabul, the external appearance of madrasas is the responsibility of the government and the spiritual appearance is the responsibility of the teachers, which should be taken care of on both sides. Officials of the Technical Vocational Education Agency told the Government Accountability Program to the nation. In this previous year, about 1,300 graduated students from different departments of this agency have been provided jobs. Kabul municipality says reconstruction work on the damaged parts of Kargha and Paghman roads is underway. Ministry of National Defense says after finishing 3 months of training in heavy and artillery weapons, 40 Mujahideen graduated from the 205th Al-Badr Army Corps Special Forces battalion in a series of ceremonies. In the desert of Maidan Warduk, Saidabad district, a mosque was built and opened for worshippers at the cost of $40,000 through a businessman.